Okay, number of people have asked questions on number 5, 3.1, number 5. So let's talk about this one really quickly. When a survey question asked, do you believe in heaven and do you believe in hell? 830 subjects answered yes to both. Okay, so notice in my contingency table, yes, yes, 830. 160 answered no to both. So notice no, no, 160. And 125 answered yes to heaven and no to hell. So yes to heaven, no to hell, 125. And remaining 3 right there. So other than that, make the total along the rows. And the total for the columns as well ends up being 1,118 total. The second part says to find the conditional proportions. So setting up the conditional proportions, all I did is take 830 divided by 833. That's how I got the 0.9964. I took the 3 divided by 833 to get the 0.0036. Likewise, continue so you can figure out the conditional proportions for the no's as well. And now it wants us to make a little interpretation. Now, I always find it interesting how they always mention the response variable first, but heaven is the response variable, so that's the second thing we should look at. The first thing, the explanatory variable is hell. So, therefore, let's talk about, do you believe in hell? So, I think the possible answers here have got to be B or C, because that's what we're going to begin with. So, for those that believe in hell, this is the yes. Those who believe in hell are less likely to believe in heaven. No. Those who believe in hell are more likely to believe in heaven. Again, we're looking at these two percentages basically. I'm sorry, take that back. We're looking at these two percentages. Those who believe in heaven are more likely to believe, those who believe in hell are more likely to believe in heaven, as opposed to those who do not believe in hell. So that would be C. Now this one, I think I led a few of you astray yesterday on this one. But as we go to these questions, as we mix things up a little bit, we're kind of running this column instead. So we need to think, well, for instance, again the yes, yes, but do you believe in hell is going to be the total that we're looking at, 955. So we want to put 830 divided by 955. So this is going to be 0.8691. Again, the key part is, again, we're looking back here and we're doing 830 divided by that total, 955. The no's then are going to be 125 divided by 955. Again, that's this one, 125 divided by 955. Now, no for heaven and yes to hell. That's going to be 3 over 163. So that's going to be 0.0184 and 0.9816. And as we set that up, they should add up to 1, as we see there. So I think that's the big trick. Again, as we look at this question again, now we're looking at this as being our indication, again, our explanatory variable. So do you believe in heaven? That's where we should be looking at, again, looking at B and C. Looking at these two numbers, those who believe in heaven are still more likely to believe in hell. More likely to believe in hell. Oops, are more likely. And there we go. See if that helps you out a little bit. If you have some questions, we'll continue on in that.